So how to transfer video or photo to mobile to your Insta360 to your iPhone or Android. This may Android device. First of all, you have to connect your device. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and then press on album and then press on all to access your all photo. And then suppose I want to export this on, then press on this video. And it suggests to it's the first time, so it suggests to how to edit it. Sorry, suppose this one, you can edit it like this one. And if you want to export it, press on export, and then you can see the lot of different option. If you want to export it as a 360 degree, so you have to press on 360. And if you want to use it flat, like after edit, like you want to this frame with music or like that, and press on export. Then suppose I want to export it as a 360, then no option, just press export and then it will be export. And if you want to flat, then you can see the lot of different option, 4K, and the frame rate will be 360 30 or 60. It's depend on the video quality actually. For when you capture the footage, you can see the option frame rate. So then press on export, then video will be export. So wait a couple of seconds to complete the whole process. Done. Then go to your device album, then you can see the video. So if you want to export uh, bulkly, then you have to turn off my device, then this is the memory card. Then you have to use this kind of converter to direct access. So I'm inserting, and then you can put it on your phone. So this is the easiest way to transfer a file quickly to your memory card to your mobile device. But if you have 360 video, then you don't able to transfer it like that. You have to edit and then you have to save it to your phone. So hope video helpful. Please thumbs up, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day.